Oh, it's moderate relief at best. As we take a look up north is not where we find the coldest temperatures tonight. It's down south. The hot spot, the Cavalier Tornadoes at 2 below zero, 10 below Devil's Lake. Look at Gwinner, 15 below there. Aberdeen in the 20s below this hour. 13 below for Wahpeton, for Detroit Lakes and Wadena at that same reading this hour. Now, the wind is expected to be increasing tonight, and that's already driving those wind chills from Aberdeen, where it's almost 40 below on exposed skin. 37 below is what it feels like this hour outdoors in Gwinner. Another dangerous night of wind chills. Remember the survival kits. Remember your carbon monoxide detectors in your home. Hey, this morning was no picnic. Take a look at southwestern North Dakota. This is Hettinger, and down there in southwest North Dakota, the actual air temperature dove to 45 below. The coldest reading in the United States today in North Dakota. And here is a look at that cold air diving all the way south into Texas, where it's below freezing in San Antonio. It is freezing in New Orleans this hour and below freezing in Georgia, though they're warmed up thanks to the win of their football team, maybe. All right, take a look at this across the country. Cold air diving down south, not quite reaching Miami yet. Quiet elsewhere with the exception of lake effect snow that continues streaming off of the Great Lakes. And we have hard freeze warnings for the Gulf Coast states and a lot of wind advisories throughout much of the central plains of the nation, including right here, a wind chill advisory in effect until tomorrow morning. So still one more night with brutal wind chills out there. Under mostly clear skies, a few clouds starting to show up to our north. Hour by hour forecast, head to bed. Steady temperatures this evening across parts of the Southern Valley, and by morning we'll see increasing clouds to our north. Winds gusty, over 20 miles per hour. So even though temperatures will be milder than they've been, around 10 to 15 below, wind chills still in the 30s below zero for many. This band of snow will move from northwest to southeast as we go through midday. It'll move through Fargo, and in the afternoon, continue its trek southward. Will warm up after it does to highs near 10 degrees for many across the valley, maybe a little warmer than that out west, and a pinch cooler out to the east. 10 below to start your day back at school, kids. As you head out to the bus stop in the morning, bundle up. 30 below, warming up to around 15 with northwest winds late in the day, 15 to 25 miles per hour. Single-digit temperatures north and east, in the low to mid-teens elsewhere. This is an ice spike on the river near Chaffee. Thanks, Rick Jackson, for sending that. Air bubbles in the river there, burping their way up through the ice, causing that ice spike to form. And here is what it looked like in Warroad. David sent in a great picture of that beautiful full moon over the big waters. Here's a look at your temperatures on Wednesday. Back in the deep freeze, pretty chilly day, all day below zero. The coldest, though, Thursday morning, 18 below. Then a warming trend into the weekend. We'll hit the low 20s on Sunday with some snow making its way through. If you're planning on heading down to Frisco, prepare for a freezing morning and temperatures rising to around 50 during the game.
You know, it's so interesting when you